Thank you for clicking our video. You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
You are going to love the 2018 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, navigation system, power liftgate, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, power steering, aluminum wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, 4-wheel drive. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
Nine convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.